Hi there, Susan Batchelder. I have a specific message. I'm essentially recording a testimonial. I want to talk about this fella. His name is David Sharp. So here's the thing. Back in 2012, there was this shy girl. Yeah, that was me. I had just started working online about 6 months before, and I decided to grab a plane ticket and fly off to Atlanta from Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, Canada, and go to this marketing event. Everybody around me, my family, thought I was crazy, but it was just a crazy thing to do. This shy girl going there. I think there was about 1,000 people at the event. Like, it wasn't like it was this outlandish thing to do. It was just not typical for me. David Sharp was one of the leaders at the event. And here's the thing is, I didn't know to not want to talk to him. I just, walked up and said hello, coffee shop. We sat down and had coffee. He just spoke directly to me and asked me, I think he asked me like how I was enjoying the event, and I just said, well, I'm just real nervous. I just kept it real. There was a few words that he said to me that I kind of went back and focused on and really kept me in the game from that June into the fall when I started taking off in my business. And he just said, just one step at a time and don't give up. It was just amongst the conversation, but sometimes it's just those specific words. So fast forward, that was back in 2012. Fast forward to today, I've had the absolute honor to do some work directly with him through these 4 years. I've followed him, followed his progress, everything that he's doing. But there's a difference when in digital, online, social media, right? We can follow someone's stories and we learn a lot. We get inspired from people through video and content, etc. There's something different that happens when you're face to face in the moment, whether it's masterminding or just shutting everything else off and just doing it. So this is about how today, this FaceTime, this one-on-one time with David Sharp is life-changing to me. I guess I'm a bit lost for words, but I'm really glad that I made this decision on purpose to work with David Sharp. Really grateful, actually. Thank you.